This is Kobe. He's a mouse, a robot mouse. He's teaching me coding and how to solve problems, one step at a time. I really like it when Kobe finds the cheese. I am Luke, and this is how I learn.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
You are so cute.
Sing a song, please. Turn left.
I like
Kinderbot booting up. Are you ready to code? Left, forward, right. Left, forward, right. Challenge mode. Write a code using my blue and purple buttons. Blue, purple, green. Blue, purple, green. Mission accomplished. Secret codes. Enter a secret code from my code book. B, bulldozer. Woohoo! That was fun! Smart coding.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot.
Hey.
Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box.
So this is the app. It's called Xylo or something. Wonder Workshop. Attach the xylophone.
Okay.
Yeah,
Show how you do that.
Yeah, that round thing. And just stick it both sides. Push it. Hear the click. And both of them are in. You can't see the light. Connect this thing to the left side of his head. His left, my
On the
right.
left side,
Yeah. So it's his left, my right. I didn't turn them on.
you need to turn it on first.
I think he's gonna start moving a little bit.
There you go. He just woke up.
okay.
Right there.
What is he doing now?
I think he's updating.
So that's...
Can you see me? So if his mallet keeps hitting the edge and not the note, which what's happened to us, you just have to calibrate it. So you press this button, and you put setup and calibration, and just listen to the steps. We already did that.
Follow the step.
Right.
So you put first note,
Okay.
test,
Next.
and
Blue
then...
note. Wait, this is the blue one, right?
No, the green one. So you put it here. That's the one. Okay, that's right.
Next. And the pinky
And
one.
lastly, the
And then next.
purple, or
And then
you call it pink.
it's complete.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do, I'm gonna do, we made this one already. Toby's first song.
You made that one.
Huh? Oh, and then you can put more lines like this.
You can add more. You can make the longer songs.
Dun, dun, song. You can do Twinkle Twinkle, Row Row Your Boat, Fairy Jaka,
On
This
the
Old
bridge,
Man.
this old man.
No, let's try this old man.
Okay,
You
try
just
that.
press that, press play.
Oh, you too fast. Jingle bells?
Ooh, jingle bells.
That's
Bigger on the side.
down.
Do we need to calibrate it again? No.
Yes.
I don't think so.
Oh, 3 blind mice. And you press the big giant
Press the
arrow.
Big arrow.
And then you
in.
press. Yay! Oh, I think while it's playing, you can move it. Forward, backwards, turn left, turn right.
Zoo Tigers. Arr!
Tailbot, an entry-level learning coding robot designed for children aged 3 and up.
We are at the zoo. First, let's go look for the elephants.
Tailbot utilizes interactive technology, is capable of identifying specific maps, thereby enabling interaction and feedback between the robot, map, and children.
The bunnies are so cute. Now let's go see the lions.
This fosters a more engaging learning environment for young children, igniting their curiosity while nurturing creativity and logical thinking. Unlike abstract code, Tailbot uses colored buttons to represent coding commands. Simply press the colored buttons, and Tailbot will start moving. Forward, backward, left turn, right turn, infinite repeat, play. Pause, clear commands, record,
Hello, bunny. Hello, bunny.
6 random dances. As the robot executes a command, the coding indicators will shine the same color as the button, providing children with visual tracking about the program being run. Tailbot is equipped with command cards corresponding to each colored button, helping children to remember their program and make it easier to debug, simplifying the process of programming and making it more intuitive.
Zoo visit.
There is an interactive map featuring voice-guided functionality, offering the coding game in a fun interactive scenario. Instruction mode, code mode, creation mode. The design is expected to encourage children to keep thinking and exploring. The instant voice feedback will spark children's interest,
The ice cream was yummy.
boost focus, and make the coding activity more playful. The blank map is provided as an open play area. Following the challenge booklet, children can place daily objects on the map and create different coding games independently. This fosters creativity and storytelling skills. The parts on both sides of the Tailbot can be replaced with building block brackets. Transform the robot into different looks with building blocks and adorable paper crafts. Inserted with marker, the robot can draw a variety of interesting shapes. Tailbot speaks English, Spanish, and Chinese to meet the need of different language learning environment.
Hola, Bolafontes.
Place the robot on the configuration card and freely switch between step length of 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters. Toggle the switch to choose low or high volume mode.
Big lions. Big lions.
Tailbot hands-on coding robot.
Hey, Miko, let's play.
Miko Mini might be small, but it's packed full of fun.
What's your favorite animal?
Toucans, of course. Did you know they've got the biggest beak of any bird? Miko taught me that. Whoever thought there'd be a robot that could make you smarter? Look, it's Miko 3!
Time for bed, you two.
Just another day with one of the coolest robots ever. Miko Mini might be small, but it's packed full of fun.
What's your favorite animal?
Toucans, of course. Did you know they've got the biggest beak of any bird? Miko taught me that. Just another day with one of the coolest robots ever. Miko Mini might be small, but it's packed full of fun.
What's your favorite animal?
Toucans, of course. Did you know they've got the biggest beak of any bird? Miko taught me that. Just another day with one of the coolest robots ever.
Hey, Miko. Tell me a joke.
Why was the centipede late for school? Why? Because it took so long to put on her shoes.
Let's see, how does it work?